Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension here 120 by 72 and thickness is 15 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select extruded boss, top plane, create one center rectangle. Give the dimension 120 by 72. So finish sketch, extrude up to 15 mm. So you can drag this up to 15. Next, there is a circular part. The outer dia is 80, inner dia is 48, thickness is 15 mm and distance from the base is 85 mm. For that, select the front plane, sketch, create two circles, (80), 48, distance is 85 mm. So give the vertical constraint, finish sketch, extrude. Here select the mid plane 50 mm. Next, there is a 28 mm support for two parts. And this dimension is 50 mm, it is not there in the drawing. Select front plane, sketch, create line, this dimension is 50 mm. Select here convert entities, select this circle, OK. Trim entities, trim the remaining circle. Finish sketch. Control 7. The thickness is 28 mm. Select extrude, select here mid plane 28 mm. Next, top side there is a one flange, that dimension is 30 mm. And from the bottom 150 mm. For that, select the front plane, create line here, give the dimension 58 mm, here to here, (29). The height is from the base 150 plus 15 mm, 165 mm. finish sketch, extrude. Okay, we need to edit sketch. Convert entities, select this circle. Trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Extrude, the thickness is 30 mm. Okay. Next, select the fillet. (15) and this edge. There is one hole. The diameter is 12 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Here you can select up to next. Okay. Next, here there is a one cut. Select this surface, sketch. Here we can select one corner rectangle. Give the dimensions. The cut dimension is 5 mm. So finish sketch, extruded cut. Here we can select through all. Okay. Control 7. Next, there is a two slots. That diameter is 12 mm and length is 25 mm. Create here a 2-point slot. This length is 25 and here to here 20 mm, and give the vertical constraint. Create one center line. Select this sketch, mirror entities, mirror about center line. Okay. So finish sketch, extruded cut, just give the through hole. Okay. Next, there is a fillet that we can give. Control 7. So there is a fillet, we can give the fillet here. Select the fillet, 5 mm. So that's it friends. Assign the material polished steel, so we can change the color if you required. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.